Buju, wago shindigu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indunjiba. The Ojibwe word for February is Namebini-giizis, and that means the sucker fish moon. Namebini-giizis. The Ojibwe operate on a lunar calendar. There are 13 lunar cycles in a year, and a lot of regional variation between different Ojibwe communities and dialects, both because of dialect variation and also just weather variation across the great spans of Ojibwe country. Namebini-giizis for February. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.